Poke Scoot. Am I hearing right, Poke Scoot? Did you just give 10? Did Poke Scoot just give 10? I need to give something to Poke Scoot. If he's gifting 10, I'm gifting back. This could be fun. How about autographed candy? Fuck it. Poke Scoot, thank you so much for gifting. You're getting some autographed. I'm gonna make this personalized. Let me just Poke Scoot. There you go. All right, Poke Scoot. There you go. Dustin, get in here and get this autographed candy. Fuck it. Ferrero shit, just autograph some fucking candy. Might as well. You can display it. It's fur. Holy shit. You give him a little bit. Maybe a turn tip. You got Poke Scoot? You gonna figure that out?
Poke Scoot, okay.
Yeah, you just gave a bunch. Or is it Poke Scott or is it Scoot? I don't know. I can't read. It's gonna fuck me up in here. Are you ready for this next thing? Oh, Poke also does Pokemon stuff. Let me give him a couple more. Defense cards. Now that I see Poke's now. Pokemon's good. Give me another thing. Rated to 9 out of 500. The Amped AA. Big fan here. The Amped AA. Oh, yes.
I want copies you for this round.
You need a copy for Instagram? Okay.
Video use this green screen. This all together?
Yes.
Long story, or to make a long story short, we got a shout out from Gary from being on his Twitch stream. So we were on Twitch and we donated, I believe it was 10 subscribers, and Gary was live and he's like, you know what, Pokey Scoot, he put it Pokey Scott, which is fine because my name is Scott. Our name was Pokey Scoot. Pokey Scott doesn't really matter. And he's like, you know what, we're gonna sign this and we're gonna send this to you. So this came directly from Gary with his signature and everything. Because I want to keep this sealed, what we're going to be doing is vacuum sealing and then freezing this. That way it preserves chocolate and everything. Just because I'm a big collector, which is kind of funny because he didn't know I'm a collector of stuff. And then he sent us these two. And of course we are not going to sell these. These are staying in our personal collection forever. If you guys don't know what V-Friends are, you guys are sleeping on V-Friends. I highly recommend you guys get V-Friends ASAP because V-Friends is pretty awesome. So this card is number 335 of 500. So there's only 500 of this card made.